Guys, I would like to take out for a sneak peek of the Staten Island Railway that will be running in 2024 in passenger service. I'm going to show y'all the pictures of the new SIR Staten Island Railway MTA train. Alright, the R211's here in the Clifton Yard on Staten Island. They have more accessibility, and these trains are just like the A train. The A train has the same R211, but this is the R211S. I went on these on the A train, and those are nice. They have cameras installed in it. The old ones, the R44, doesn't have no cameras on it. But these new trains are gonna have cameras on the new SIR, MTA Staten Island Railway. See, more accessibility for the wheelchair people. Alright. The pole to hold on to on the train. Of course, all poles, you have to have on the train. Yeah, so. Right. This is the inside of the new Staten Island Railway. The R211S for Staten Island, New York train. Alright. This is the inside of it. They have the two doors to open in the middle of the car, just like all the NYC subway have. And it tells the next stop on it on the screen there. The A train has the same ones. I went on it on the A to Ozone Park. And there's another route on the A train that goes to Far Rockaway. But these are going to run from the R211S is going to run from St. George Ferry Terminal to Tottenville, which is Tottenville is the ending of Staten Island. And there it is, the new one, at the Clifton Yard on Staten Island already. Alright guys, take care. Bye now. God bless all you guys. And I'll be on next time.